Hey, little champ. You have 3 teddy bears. What if I take away 1 bear? How many bears do you have now? Hey, little buddy. Imagine you have 1 big whale in your fish tank. What if I add 2 more whales for you? Now, how many whales do you have in your tank?